Your living room doesn't feel expensive because of 7 mistakes you don't know you're making. Not budget. Not taste. Mistakes. Small, invisible, fixable, today. Number 7 costs nothing. And it's probably the reason your room has never felt quite right. Watch till the end. You'll see your home completely differently. Let's start with the one that hurts the most to hear. Mistake number 1. Your rug is too small. Picture this. Someone walks into a living room. There's a couch, a coffee table, a TV. Everything is there. But something feels wrong. Like the furniture is just floating. Like nothing belongs together. 9 times out of 10, it's the rug. A rug that's too small does something sneaky. It makes the whole room feel like furniture was just dropped in from different places. Designers call it the island effect, and it makes a space feel cheap almost instantly. The fix is simple. You want at least the front 2 legs of every major piece of furniture sitting on the rug. Ideally all 4. A good rule of thumb, go bigger than you think you need. Most people buy a 5x8 when they actually need an 8x10. And here's the good news, large rugs don't have to cost a fortune. IKEA and Marketplace are full of beautiful oversized rugs. One rug change can transform an entire room. That's not an exaggeration. Mistake number 2. All your lights are at the same height. Most people rely on one overhead light to do all the work. The big ceiling light, and then they wonder why their room feels harsh, flat, and weirdly uncomfortable, like a waiting room or a dentist's office. Here's what's actually happening. When light only comes from above, it flattens everything. It removes depth and warmth. A cozy room uses what designers call layered lighting. That means light at 3 different heights. Ceiling light, yes, but also a floor lamp in the corner, table lamps at eye level, maybe some candles lower down. Even one warm lamp added to a corner can completely change how a room feels. It signals evening, rest, home. Swap any harsh white bulbs for soft warm toned ones. The difference is immediate and it costs about $3. Mistake number 3, your curtains are hung too low. This one is a quiet confidence killer for a room. Here's the design secret. Hang your curtains as close to the ceiling as possible. Always. Even if your window is small. Hanging the rod below the ceiling line makes the room feel taller and more expensive. And make sure your curtains actually touch the floor. Not hovering, not pooling like a ball gown. Just kissing the floor. Now, if you're finding these helpful, save this video. We have 4 more mistakes to cover, and they get more surprising. Mistake number 4. Every piece of furniture is against a wall. Walk into most living rooms, and you'll see it. It feels logical, but it creates a cold, disconnected space. Furniture that floats away from walls creates intimacy. Suddenly, the room has layers. This pulling furniture in is what makes small rooms feel larger and cozier. Mistake number 5. No plants or only fake ones that look fake. Plants are not decoration, they're alive. Your nervous system knows the difference. They reduce stress and create calm. If you've killed every plant, try pothos or snake plants. If you go faux, choose high quality and mix in dried elements. Mistake number 6. Your gallery wall has no cohesion. The result looks busy and chaotic even if every piece is beautiful. Cohesion is everything. Pick one frame color and stick to it. Choose pieces that share a color palette or theme. Lay it all out on the floor before putting a single nail in the wall. Step back. Does it feel like a collection? Mistake number 7. Your room has no focal point. This is the big one. It's completely invisible until someone points it out. Every room needs a visual anchor. It could be a fireplace, an accent wall, or a large piece of art. Once you have a focal point, everything else organizes itself around it. The room feels complete. These 7 fixes aren't just about making a room look better. They're about making you feel better inside it. Your home is supposed to be your safe place. Subscribe for more cozy home psychology and design ideas. Your home already has everything it needs.